Hey, good afternoon. This is Willie Santiago with Evolution Deep Clean, and we are here at the Seminole County Business Expo.
This is part 2.
Exactly.
We're located on 46 and International Parkway next to Ace Hardware, and we do legal drugs, and if retail, we have DME, we do free delivery, that's it, and also we have personal contact with the pharmacist, consulting, and he does that. So come and see us.
And Trani has beautiful eyes. I don't know, but they are just incredible.
So let's go say hi to some other people. Let's embarrass some more.
All right. Look at this event right here, Nicole, who I've noticed she's joined the chamber. She does event planning. Glenda Favors, who plays the flute. And she has her own thing. I know, it's incredible. But to learn about people. I sing, I wear high heels. Women's socks.
See the socks.
Oh yeah, look at
All right.
So, but she's with Create. What's the name of your business?
Create Event Design. We do corporate and social event planning and design.
And look at these beautiful flowers here. Well, they're not flowers, they're plants.
They're flowers. They're just silks for today.
Yeah, okay.
These are all fresh though.
And Glenda, tell us a little bit about what you do. Oh, Glenda's right here. Your family bank.
Your family bank. We show people how to get out of debt, increase their cash flow, and become their own bank.
Well, she has pretty eyes too. Wow. That is awesome.
Oh God.
Oh God. Well, thank you, Glenda. And you can catch her playing this Saturday night. Where?
This Saturday morning at the Marriott Lakeside by the airport for the Florida Flute Association Convention. And tonight, if you're a rock star, which you are, and you are,
you're a rock star in the house.
Tonight, Rockstar Connect at Dexter's Lake Mary from 6 to 8.
He's gonna crack the camera, man. Stop
Oh
taking
man,
pictures.
Brendan! Whoa, let's get Brendan in here. Edward Jones, Mr. Edward Jones.
Yeah.
He has
Facebook
pretty-
Live.
Look at his eyes. He's got pretty eyes too.
It's the Thor eyes. Thor.
Yeah. No, he's not here yet.
We'll reintroduce you to Dave.
Hey, Dave.
Dave's working on my office, so he gets out.
Well, congratulations. Thank you very much. And meet
He met Don already.
We're on Facebook Live right now. And Mr. LaFlamme. How you doing? With Minuteman Press.
Tell us about Minuteman.
How come I never see you at the meetings? Come on.
I'm going to start going.
Yeah.
Pressing out. We're the largest Minuteman Press franchise in Central Florida. Wow. Besides just putting ink on paper, we do vehicle wraps, we do signage for doors, windows, outdoor banners. We also do, we have our own mailing department.
Cool.
We've got a whole list of things that we can help out customers marketing and promote their news.
Can we do like packages to Colombia or South America?
Yes, absolutely. Is it coming in first?
Exactly,
and then
it's
we're
coming.
shipping it
Yeah,
out?
we ship it.
Okay.
We gotta make sure you mix it with coffee grinds. No.
Oh God. Oh God.
We can all put that on YouTube.
Yeah.
It's on Facebook right now. All right, so let's go find Profit First and Alpha Graphics. I think they're over there.
All right. Did you meet Chani's daughters?
Oh,
This
yeah.
is the Sunshine Pharmacy. We just introduced Chani before. It's good to see you. You keeping those floors clean at your house?
Hey, say hi to Facebook. All right.
All right, we'll see you. What do you got here? Look. Wow.
Oh, you're giving out free drugs?
Wow.
Ah.
At Sunshine Pharmacy.
Oh, but so you're handing out placebos.
Right.
Yes. High five.
What is this?
But yeah, this is the bubble wrap.
Oh, that you put the drugs in.
Yes, we're
The legal drugs, that is.
if you want to keep track of your medication
right. Perfect. Well, we'll see you in a little bit. Good luck. All right.
All right. So this is a pretty big venue.
It is.
Yeah.
Oh, let's go.
So we're going to go across the hall here. We got some more businesses. First off, we got Brian Price right here, the famous Brian Price. If you ever go to any networking event anywhere in Orlando, Central Florida, you'll find him there taking your picture.
The official photographer of Orlando.
Yeah. Oh man.
And if you're looking for Jessica at the Lake Mary Event Center, you can't find her there. She's now working for the Seminole Chamber of Commerce.
Now, where do we hook up our cookie oven?
And you said we could, and we didn't. We can't.
I was prepared for that.
Seminole County Chamber Business Expo.
Yeah, you're a new man over at Alpha Graphics.
I am. I'm the new kid on the block.
Yeah, cool. Well, welcome.
Appreciate it.
So this is Dom, my partner.
And you're on Facebook.
Hi. Hello, Facebook world.
So tell us about Alpha Graphics.
Alpha Graphics is a visual communications branding and marketing company. Been in Lake Mary for 12 years now, and we'll do anything from graphic design to large format signage, vehicle wraps, anything you need with ink on paper.
Like $50 bills?
We can do that.
Oh, right.
Yeah, we
With my picture on it?
Sign no
With my picture on it?
all liabilities.
Sweet.
You sign that away. And we'll,
That's all right. I got good lawyers.
yeah, what you need.
Well, John, thanks for having me.
Oh, wait a minute. We got the Duck and Financial right here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
How you doing?
Doing good, Kim.
Good. Good to see you.
Good to see you. Tell us about your business.
Well, I work with Aflac, but also All Good Financial. So what we do is we're a full suite of insurance and benefits. So whether you're an individual, a small business, or a large business, we have something for everyone. So I specialize in the Aflac and the group benefits. Some of our other agents specialize in like life, wealth management, financial planning. So regardless of who you talk to, we have a team and a powerhouse of knowledge throughout.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
You know, I just saw Ray Vegas make a comment saying like everything looks great here. You remember Ray?
What's that?
You remember Ray?
Yeah.
Say something to Ray. Tell him what. Tell him how much of a traitor he is for going to Mount Dora.
No, Ray,
He
we
just
love
commented
you.
on here.
Ray, we love you.
We're alive.
Ray! Get over here, Ray! We miss you!
So,
Well, we're also in the Mount Dora Chamber too, so
oh, was that?
I live there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So,
So,
yeah.
so he's not much of a traitor for you.
No. If anything, I'm a friendly face, hopefully. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Because we're at table 69.
Hi, Matt.
Agent Deep Clean.
Yeah,
What?
Agent
Deep Clean.
Yeah, Agent Deep Clean.
Wow. He looks familiar.
Let's go get it on GoDaddy right now.
Right.
That's okay,
Hey.
you can do it again.
Brady,
Hi!
tell us about Profit First.
Oh, come on! Profit
You're on
First-
Facebook
Profit
Live.
First Accounting and Consulting is there for you to maximize your cash flow, minimize your tax liability, succession plan thinking, a hybrid approach of CPA services and business consulting. If you want to make money, give us a call.
What is your connection with UCF?
I am a student. I am a mentor there. I work with the Office of Professional Development, the College of Business. It's the second largest university in the nation, and go Knights. And so I work a lot with them and Seminole State College. I graduated from there too.
All right. So, when did you move to Central Florida?
3 years ago. Why do I feel like I'm being interviewed?
Yeah,
3 years ago
no.
I came here.
And it didn't take long for you to become a big part of the community.
No, absolutely not.
Yeah.
To be
Yeah. we've had to draw her out of her shell. Come on, Brandy, you got to get out there.
The
and meet-
struggle is real.
It's awesome. It's crazy.
I've been in special class.
I know.
But-
It's tough. It's tough.
To be honest, as far as the chamber, this is an amazing business expo. I've been to several of them. I'm involved in different chambers. It does not take long at all to become connected with this group because this is
Exactly.
right?
We're one loving chamber.
We're a happy family. Oh, how sweet. Maybe I'm not smart. Yes, you are.
Because I couldn't figure it out either. Oh no. Where are we going? He said. Oh, this is
¿Cómo estás?
muy bien. Hey,
Yeah, you're on Facebook Live.
Hi, how are you?
Yeah, Isela has a cleaning company in the chamber.
Commercial cleaning service.
And she's hooked us up with the doctor up in
Remember Plastic
Remember,
Surgery?
yeah.
Yes, he's one of my clients. Yeah.
When I was done, his eyes bugged out of his head, and I was like,
Well, hi everyone.
How long have you been with the chamber?
3 years.
Oh, it seems like forever.
Yeah, it seems like forever. Yeah,
But
3
you've
years.
done such a great job.
Thank you. So do you.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, Willie is Willie. All right, so.
Well, thank you so much. And I need to
Stay
give
in
you
trouble,
one
girl.
of my new business.
oh.
You got the new one?
Yeah, I got one. No, but not yours. I got his.
We have the famous computer technician right here.
Oh,
Certified
I like.
computer
Oh, yes, I
solutions,
know.
IT extraordinaire.
You're talking about one of the best people in Central Florida with
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Do I get a free carpet clean?
You
this. If you book online over there,
You get a free business card.
Oh, okay. Awesome.
no, we have a drawing for a free clean if you book for an online
Yeah.
lesson
Really?
at our table. Yeah.
Exactly. If you want a free drawing, enter into for a free drawing for a carpet clean.
I'm gonna
Stop
win.
by table number 69. That's our table
Seriously,
number.
that is our table number. Yes.
That's right. I got the
Perfect.
Where's your table at? It's right here.
Far
Pen in
away.
on that.
Far away.
Right next to Profit First.
This is
Because
the powerhouse
because you and Brandy, y'all are always up to no good.
powerhouse area. That's what this is.
All right, Willie, we're going to go cut this. I think we got enough.
Hakeem the Dream.